For expectations, I like to go over what I call the Success in Class Connect Check Yourself. This will be something that I share with the students for them to download. I ask them to download it and print it and have it right next to their computer so they can visually remind themselves what the expectations are to be successful in Class Connect. One of the first things I ask students to be successful to do is to have their materials ready. They will receive information about what materials they need to bring to class every day ready to go, and it's expected that they will have those materials ready when class begins. The next thing that they need to check themselves on is the attention on the teacher. And when they enter class, they should be ready to participate and to have their attention on the teacher, and that means getting rid of any other distractions around them. If possible, siblings need to move to another room. Even learning coaches don't need to be present during Class Connect. It is designed to be myself as the teacher and the class, and it's very helpful if the student can have all of their attention on me and the class. The next thing I talk about with Success in Class Connect for students is for them to respect their classmates. Everybody has taken the time to be present in the class, and it's time away from other things they could be doing, and so to be respectful of everybody's time in there and of everybody's experiences and abilities. We have a wide range of abilities in our Class Connect sessions, and we respect everyone there by listening and learning something from everyone that is there. And the next thing I ask students for Success in Class Connect is to respond when prompted. If you are asked to do something in the Class Connect session, such as type in the chat, give a green check, give a thumbs up, respond to a quiz on the board, it's expected that you will respond when prompted. Class Connect is not a time to come and just sit and watch. The Class Connect sessions are designed to be interactive, and it's expected that every student, when requested, will respond when prompted. Chatting is our way of talking in the class, and so it is expected that every student will chat on topic and give their ideas, give thoughtful responses, thoughtful ideas and questions pertaining to whatever the topic is of the class. I ask students to participate with integrity, and what I mean by that is because I can't see what they're doing, I am going to assume that everyone is doing exactly what they are asked to do, and they are the ones doing it. If a student is not participating, or they're having someone else do their participating for them, then they're not participating with integrity, and that's something that I believe students need to learn as part of our mission at LAVCA. And finally, I like students to ask thoughtful questions. So I expect them to start asking higher order kinds of questions as time goes on. We are in 5th grade, approaching some very challenging material at times, and students should be thinking a little bit deeper now that they're in 5th grade, and that's going to be the goal of our class, is to provide an environment and the instruction to be able to ask thoughtful questions. And finally, I remind students that one's greatest challenge is to control oneself. They are 100% responsible for their own behavior in the Class Connect session and using the Blackboard tools. They're very fortunate to have such amazing technology in which to learn, and it's my expectation that they will control themselves as they're in that room, and it's part of what we're learning in 5th grade to do, so that they can have a successful Class Connect experience. And I look forward to seeing all of you in Class Connect.